From the intricate patterns of biodiversity to the resilience of desert flora, the health of our rivers, and the impact of human activity, each sample tells a story. Join us in this special series as we explore how biological, geological, and archaeological samples help us uncover the connections that sustain life. The Santa Cruz River, a lifeline in the heart of the Sonoran Desert, has shaped human history for thousands of years. Before the desert climate intensified and underground aquifers were depleted, its waters flowed year-round, sustaining both people and wildlife. This river wasn't just a resource. It was a gathering place, a trade route, and the foundation of entire civilizations. Efforts to revive the Santa Cruz tell a powerful story of renewal, one guided by science, history, and a deep understanding of the interconnectedness of life. Long before modern development, the Santa Cruz River supported diverse ecosystems and thriving communities. Archaeological discoveries in the region reveal how early inhabitants built their lives around this vital waterway. They cultivated crops, hunted game, and engineered some of the earliest known irrigation systems in North America, adapting to the desert's challenges with remarkable ingenuity. These ancient sites are more than scattered artifacts. They are windows into the past. Middens, or refuse piles, offer a detailed record of daily life, revealing what people ate, the tools they used, and how they interacted with their environment. Some middens contain mollusk shells, evidence that freshwater mussels were once abundant in the river. Others reveal the remains of crops like maize, squash, and amaranth, grown to supplement hunting and foraging. By studying these remnants, scientists can piece together a timeline of environmental shifts, tracking how both people and wildlife responded to changing conditions. These archaeological samples also provide a record of the region's biodiversity. The species that once thrived along the Santa Cruz give us a glimpse into the river's past abundance, a richness that is slowly returning today. One of the most striking indicators of the river's recovery is the resurgence of cottonwood trees. These towering giants were once the backbone of the riparian corridor, offering shade, stabilizing the soil, and providing habitat for countless species. Birds, like the endangered southwestern willow flycatcher, depend on cottonwood forests for nesting, while their roots help keep riverbanks intact. With restoration efforts bringing water back to the floodplain, young cottonwoods are taking root again, offering hope for the future. Another inspiring chapter in the river's revival is the reintroduction of the Gila-top minnow. Once abundant in these waters, these small native fish face decline due to habitat loss and competition from non-native species. Recent conservation efforts have successfully reintroduced hundreds of Gila-top minnow to their native home. The American beaver, a species long absent from the Santa Cruz, is returning as well. Beavers are ecosystem engineers, reshaping the landscape by building dams that slow water flow, create wetlands, and recharge groundwater. These wetlands, in turn, become havens for fish, amphibians, and countless other species. Javelinas also play an essential role in maintaining the ecosystem. As they forage for food, they disperse seeds through their droppings, ensuring that plant life continues to regenerate. As we continue to revive the river, we are not just restoring an ecosystem, we are honoring a legacy. The Santa Cruz has always been a thread connecting people, wildlife, and the land itself.